To think this little goofy girl turned 30, from chilling on the streets of New York City with her loving family to multiple career changes with some travel on top, of course. But if I had the opportunity to talk to a little girl by the name of Kayla Brioni, I'd tell her she's going to live with a lot of worry, but there's no need to. God got her. Through every career change, every failure, loss, and even just dealing with her own emotions, at the end of the day, she's going to be okay. She's going to see a lot of the world, meet a lot of people, and fall in love with the right person. And even though she always feels lost, as long as she keeps pushing forward, she'll end up in the right destination. I'd like to introduce you to this new chapter of my life called Wild 30. This is my trip to Washington, and my girl hooked me up with to celebrate my 30th birthday. Enjoy. Amazing, so much fun, beautiful nature. Definitely have your knees in check. Definitely wear your hiking shoes. Bring your water.
Yes, look at these sneakers.
What you wearing?
The Adidas T-Rex. And look at the bottom. Hold on.
Okay, yeah, set for trailing.
And we decided to take the road because my knees are hurting.
So ella está vieja.
Ay, dijo la que ya es 30. La que ya tiene 30. So, yeah, going up and down those rocks and the hill and stuff. Yeah, no, mejor bajamos por aquí.
Yo, Adidas T-Rex, I guess. T-Rex?
T-Rex.
Adidas T-Rex. The shoes sponsor us. Adidas, we need you so we could continue these trips. Day one, official day one of what is officially the official.
Our first whole entire day in Washington. We went to downtown. We went to the marketplace. We ended up coming out here so we can go ahead and see the waterfall. The waterfall was cold. It was amazing because when we got there we were so hot, and then all of a sudden nos refrescamos.
That part. So we're about an hour away from Seattle. The hike is 2 miles round trip, and it is going up, so just be prepared. Bring your water and bring your shoes, and just get your backpack, get some snacks, and it's definitely worth it. So now what are we about to do now?
Or if you want to save that trip, you know, you can just drive your car all the way up there. So,
well, the only problem with that is there's no parking, and you're not allowed to park in the street because the street is so narrow. So if you do that, you're gonna have to take turns or something and leave somebody in the car because you can't park there. That's why you have to park over here. And you also have to pay $5, $5 parking pass to be able to walk the trail. Definitely worth it. We're taking the street back.
There's a lot of Asians out here, and I am so happy to go out to a spot and try some noodles. Like, oh my god, I'm craving some noodles.
She wants noodles, I want sushi, so that's what we're about to try to go find.
And a papaya salad. I need to try to find a spot with a papaya salad.
Yeah. Oh, and the best part about out here is the sun goes down at like 9:30 p.m. It is 6 p.m. currently. As you can see, still super bright. People are just starting the trail. I wouldn't recommend that, but you know, come with time. But definitely awesome because it gives you a whole full day to be outside and be able to do stuff.
Yep, we got here like around 3:30.
And if you suffer from allergies, take your allergy medicine.
Yep, she takes her allergy pills. I take my allergy pills, and I also do, what is it called? Immunity shots? Anyways, allergy shots every single week because me and my immune system.
Day 1 in Washington, success.
We made it.